Warm good morning, children. A very warm good morning. How are you all? And I hope you liked the story or the chapter which I read for English literature, chapter 10, A Strange Visitor. I hope you liked that story. We did till page number 130. And do you remember Kanan the elephant? Do you remember him? And I even told you about some strange animals in the warm up. How strange few animals were looking on that picture, like a rabbit and a chick, a lioness and a bear, a kitten and a duckling, a cow and a sheep. I told you about that strange, unusual friendships also. So we finished till page number 130, how the elephant, how that elephant took was at the back of that car. Kanan was following the car when Nandan was admitted in the hospital. He was outside the hospital waiting for him, and he never wanted to go back. And how the speaker asked Prabhakaran about the whole story, and he told him how Nandan was had a heart attack and he was taken to the hospital, and how Kanan reached the hospital, and how the doctors were feeling like an animal standing outside that hospital and they were annoyed with him. ये सब समझाया था आपको, बताई थी कहानी ना मैंने आपको एलिफेंट की, कैसे वो अपने माहौत यानी मास्टर, माहौत मीन्स who looks after and trains an elephant is called the mahot. So how he was loving his master. So do you remember till there? Now we'll do page number 131. I want all you students to take out your books in page number 131. Now listen to that story, how Kanan refused to move from where he was standing. Doctors were telling him, asking Prabhakaran to remove him, but he never wanted to move away. He wanted to be as close to Nandan as possible. He wanted to be there only in the hospital. With great difficulty, Prabhakaran moved him to the foot of a large tree near the hospital wall. Means Prabhakaran, with all his might, or with, you can say, with all his strength, he pulled Kanan under a tall tree, foot of a tall tree, so that he would get a shade. Nandan was just discharged 7 days later. जो उसके जो नंदन थे, जो माहौत थे, वो उनको 7 days के बाद रिलीव किया गया हॉस्पिटल से. All this while Kanan waited for him under the tree. Can you imagine that? He seemed sad and worried and ate nothing. और नंदन को 7 days बाद हॉस्पिटल, माहौत जो थे मास्टर थे, उनको 7 days बाद हॉस्पिटल से रिलीव करा गया. बट कानन कहीं नहीं गया, उसी पेड़ के नीचे उसके लिए खड़ा ही रहा और उसने कुछ भी खाया नहीं. He ate nothing. When Nandan became strong enough to walk a little, he went to meet Kanan. जब नंदन थोड़े से ठीक हुए, वो कानन के पास गए. The elephant's eyes lit up with joy. Elephant की आंखें चमक गई. He waved his trunk, flapped his ears and took a few dancing steps. उन्होंने अपने ट्रंक को वेव किया, कान को फ्लैप किया और कुछ डांसिंग स्टेप्स लिए. I am all right, Kanan. I know you have been waiting for me for the whole week, Nandan said, patting him. नंदन ने कहा, कानन, आई एम नाउ ओके एंड आई नो कि आप यहीं खड़े हो पिछले 7 days से. डोंट वरी, वी कैन गो होम नाउ. Then he held out a bunch of bananas, which the elephant gobbled up happily. Then what did the master do? What did the mahot do? He took out bananas and a bunch of bananas and gave it to the elephant, and the elephant gobbled up means ate up very fast. जल्दी जल्दी जब एनिमल्स खाते हैं उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं gobbled up. Meaning of gobbled up is ate up very fast. And he was looking very happy. The onlookers were amazed. Onlookers मतलब जब कोई चीज़ होती है तो लोग भीड़ बना के देखने लगते हैं ना. They are called the onlookers. Just look at that, they exclaimed. उन्होंने कहा, देखो कैसा है ये affection. these two are more like brothers than elephant and Mahout. कहते हैं कि ये एक दूसरे के भाई लग रहे हैं. Elephant and Mahout से ज़्यादा वो एक दूसरे के भाई लग रहे हैं. So this is where the story ends, and this is how Nandan and Mahout loved. Nandan and the elephant Kanan loved each other. Nandan was okay. He was discharged after 7 days. Still, Kanan waited for 7 days in the hospital under that tree without eating anything. Nandan came out, loved him, patted him, and gave him a bunch of banana, and then he ate it. Now, children, a few meanings. Now, children, one thing, did you know that elephants are so clever? They can peel their own bananas, corns, and lots of other food. Have you seen elephants peeling bananas? खुद banana को peel करके खाते हैं elephants. They are really very clever animals and very loving animals. Now, few meanings. Discharged means sent home from hospital. When somebody is admitted in the hospital, when the doctor relieves that patient, he is discharged. Second, flapped his ears. अपने कान को ऊपर नीचे हिलाना जो animals करते हैं, this is called flapped his ears. Moved his ear back and forth to show his happiness. Gobbled up, I told you, ate up very fast. I hope you have understood this story very nicely. Children, you should love animals. It's better not to keep them as pet. I don't suggest to keep animals as pets. Dogs को भी लाते हैं हम बांध के रखते. They are more happy in the nature because God has brought them into this nature. And human beings, what do? लेते हैं उनको, पालते हैं, गले में पट्टा बांध के रखते हैं. They treat them like I don't know what. So I won't suggest you to keep a pet, but still love animals. Don't beat them, don't hate them. See the beautiful picture of elephant Kanan going at the back of the car. So I hope you must have understood everything. With this we end the story. I'll be sending you the PDF of question and answers. Please do write it in your note copies. Children, again and again I'm telling, I just delete after sending you the PDFs. After that I don't keep in my mobile. You understand that problem. Mobile cannot keep so many things inside it, so I delete the PDF. So please don't ask me again and again for PDFs. For this videos, I put it in my link. If you need my videos, I can just send you that link and you can see from that. But PDFs I just remove. So children, thank you. Have a nice day. Love you and God bless you.